Hello, Right Recipe for Travel family. It's your host, Cynthia. On today's video, we're going to do a haul. That's right. Today we are at the Dollar Tree. We have $50 to spend to buy Father's Day gifts. We're going to see how far $50 takes us. All right, so come along with me and find the right recipe for getting great Father's Day gifts for only $1. Okay, $1.25. Okay, let's go see what we can do. How much can you get for $50? I've met some wonderful people. Who helped me out today? I think you're going to be surprised. Okay, full disclosure, I had to leave that Dollar Tree and head on over to another one because they didn't have everything that I needed. Okay, interruption over. Let's continue the adventure. What's your name?
T.
Hey T, I have T helping me out today with the haul. Coming to Dollar Tree, how much can you get for $50 for Father's Day?